Let's start question 1 in homework 4. First we get gx is this, and let's draw the diagram of gx. So we can find that y is between -1 and 2. So we consider different value of y. When y is -1, which means x is larger than 2, so the probability of x larger than 2 is equals to 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 2, which is 1 minus capital Fx2. And this means that small fyy equals to 1 minus capital Fx2 times impulse function delta y plus 1. And when y in between -1 and 0, the fx can be calculated like this, which is fx of 1 minus y. And when y equals to 0, which means x between 0 and 1, so the probability of this is capital Fx1 minus capital Fx0, which means fyy equals to capital capital Fx1 minus capital Fx0 times delta y. And when y is 2, which means x smaller than 0, so the probability of this equals to capital Fx0, and this means fyy equals to capital Fx of 0 times delta y minus 2. So let's sum this information up and we can get the total fyy function is like this. So let's draw this diagram. When y is -1, we get an impulse function here, and the height of this impulse function is 1 minus capital Fx2. And when y is between -1 and 0, we just draw this fx function like this. And when y is 0, we get another impulse function, and this impulse function is here. The value of the coefficient is capital Fx1 minus capital Fx0, and when y equals to 2, so this is the final impulse function, and coefficient is capital Fx0, and fyy equals to 0 as well. So we use this and calculate the capital fyy. So when y is -1, the value of capital Y is 1 minus capital X of 2, and when y in between -1 and 0, the value of this is 1 minus capital Fx of 1 minus y, and when y is 0, the value of the function is 1 minus capital Fx0, and when 1 between 0 and 2, definitely the capital Fy is not changed, so it's also equals to what when y equals to 0, which is 1 minus capital Fx0, and when y larger than 2, the function value is 1. So let's draw the diagram of the capital Fy. When y is -1, we get the value of 1 minus capital Fx2, and when y between -1 and 0, we get this curve, and when y is 0, we have a jump here. The value of this function when y is 0 is 1 minus capital Fx0, and when y is larger than 2, the capital Fy is 1.